morning children. Today I am going to explain poem 3 textbook grammar part. Textbook grammar part of poem 3. Have you all read the poem? My Shadow. It's really an interesting poem among all of these poems in the textbook. Now I am going to explain page number 44. Page number 44. You don't copy. Every time I have seen so many students just copying. If you copy, you will not get anything. Listen. If you listen, what happens? It will be very easy to you while writing the exams. You will remember me while writing exams. Oh, ma'am has told me like this. Ma'am has explained me like this. You will. I am 100% sure that you will remember me while doing these exercises if you get in the exam. Okay. Now I am going to explain page number 4444. Pause the video, go and get the textbook, and please be ready. If you are already ready with the textbooks, I am very happy. Okay, let's see. I am going to read out. First two questions you will get in the CW, and the third one. From third question onwards, I am going to explain. What is the third question? Once again. I will read out. Before that, you try to read. You try to read yourself. That is very, very important. That is very, very important. What time of the day do you think it is when your shadow is tallest? Why? Did you see your shadow in the morning, afternoon, and in the evening? Did you observe which one is the tallest one? I have observed in the afternoon and in the morning and in the evening time also. When I have seen in the afternoon it is tall, and evening it is not that much tall. It is just like as equal as me. And in the morning I have seen my shadow is the tallest when compared to the afternoon and the evening. Here are three options: morning, afternoon, night. Which one you have to tick now? Morning. If you want, get up early in the morning. Not early. You get up early, but check at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, like that. You will understand. In the morning, tick morning, and you have read because the sun rays are slanting at the time of sunrise. The sun rays are slanting at the time of sunrise. Next, read the lines from the poem and answer the following. These two lines which are in the blue color, sky blue color, those two lines are from the textbook which I have explained yesterday. He is very, very like me. Who is very, very like me? My shadow. My shadow is very, very like me, correct? Next, from the heel up to the head. Here are some questions which we have to answer. Who does he refer to? He is very, very like me. Who is very, very like me? Shadow. You have to write shadow. He refers to shadow. Next, what does me refer to? Me in the sense poet. Poet is explaining the poem, correct? Poet. Next, why are he and me alike? Why shadow and I am are alike? Why you and your shadow is alike? Why? Because me and my shadow are same. We are similar, right? That's why my shadow is like me. If you want, you check. You check your shadow. You have the hand. If you keep your hand like this, your shadow hand also will be like this only. 5 fingers only. Like my hand only, my shadow. Like your shadow also will be like you. Why? Because they look exactly like each other. Next. Okay, this is done. Next one. Work in pairs and discuss the following. This one we have to discuss in a group and we have to get the answer. Now I don't have a group here. If it is a class, I can make some groups and I will let you to discuss. But here it is not possible. Okay, we will discuss like this. Okay. You think, if a dog chases you, what will you do? If your dog chases you, what will you do? For example, you are just walking and you saw a dog chasing you. What will you do? I will run. Is it correct that we can run? No, it is not at all correct that what we do every time. It is not correct. Then what you have to do? Keep this in your mind. It is very hard to do, but keep it in your mind that we should not run if a dog chases you. We have to go slowly. We have to walk slowly only. Mostly the dogs catches the thieves. Why? How do the dogs know that he is a thief or she is a thief? I also don't know that they have some great ideas. I also don't know about it, but mostly dog chases a running person. Dog chases a running person. Please don't run. Walk slowly only. Here you can write, if a dog chases me, I would not run. Instead, walk slowly. Understand? Don't run. Walk slowly. Next. You have forgotten your homework copy. That means homework book at home. What will you do? Will you cry? Will you say sorry to the teacher? Otherwise, you will tell some lies to the teacher. No, correct? What will you do? If I forget, I will say sorry to my teacher. I apologize my teacher. Ma'am, I am so sorry. I will get it to you tomorrow, or I will show it. I will call my father and I'll ask him to bring the book and I'll show it to you. Some idea you have to think, and you should not cry. And most of the time, not most of the time, every time, please tell truth to the teacher, because your teacher is the second mother to you. Don't you feel so? It is. Okay, you have to write here, I would apologize to my class teacher about it. If you really apologize to the class teacher, the class teacher will explain the matter to the other teachers. If you forget any copy of any other subject. Next. You are alone in a room and the lights go out. Your mommy and daddy went somewhere for some work and you are alone in the room. What will you do if the lights go out? What will you do? If there is power cut, what will you do? Think, what will you do if you are in that situation? If my daughter is in that situation, first she will cry. Because everyone are afraid of darkness. But if I am in that place, I know I am also afraid, but slowly I'll get up and I will light a candle. Every time I remember where do I keep the candles, and slowly I get up and slowly I'll go and I'll get up the candle and I will light the candle. Okay, you also should do the same. What will you do? If I am alone in my house and lights go out, I would light a candle. Okay. Do you also light? Or you will cry and you will say, Mommy, come here, come here. You will say like that? Okay. Open next page, page number 46. Fill in the blanks using one of the words given in the brackets. Here they have given three words in the brackets. You have to choose one. Okay. First thing I am telling you, first of all I will explain you where you have to use what. Whose, W-H-O-S-E, whose. Everyone look at here. W-H-O-S-E, whose. When will you use whose? Whose we will use for a person, specific person. For a human being, for a specific person we use whose. And which, W-H-I-C-H, which. When will we use which? For the things. Mostly for the specific things we use which. For example, I like chapati, which I ate yesterday. I am telling about something which has happened already. I know about that. And next, when do we use that? T-H-A-T, that. We use that for point outing something. That is my mirror and that is my chair. I am point outing something. This is my marker, and that is, when we are pointing something, we will use that. Understand? Whose for persons, which or something which we already know about it, and that for point outing something. Okay? Now we will do the exercise. Where is the child? Dash parents have come to school. Parents in the sense they are human beings, right? Then what will we use? Here in the brackets they have given some who, whose, which. For human beings, I already told you, we use WHOSE, whose. Next, I saw some houses. That means already I know, already completed. I know which, WHICH, which were quite spacious. Next, mathematics. Mathematics, which is my favorite subject, is so interesting. Next, the poem you read out. That means they are pointing that poem. The poem that read out is so lovely. Okay, I know the street. That means already I know. For knowing objects we use which, WHICH, which. I know the street which he lives on. Next, I like reading books that have pictures in it. I am pointing about pictures in that book. Okay, the old lady whom I met, the singular person. If it is singular person, we use whom. If it is plural, we use whose. Singular also, sometimes we use whose. It depends. For singular, we use whom. Okay. The old lady whom I met in your house is my neighbor. For singular, we use whom. Okay. I hope you have understood this exercise, and you can do few more exercises. If you search in the Google, you will get some more exercises with this word whose, which, and that, and try to do it. Some exercises for practice. Okay. Next, open page number 747. Good. Write a few lines on Mitho and his little dog named Shadow. Now we are going to write few lines about Mitho. MITHOO. MITHOO. Mitho. And what is Mitho's dog's name? Mitho's dog's name is Shadow. SHADOW. Mitho's dog's name is Shadow. Okay. Now we have to write a small paragraph about Mitho and Shadow. Mitho is very shy boy. He is 10 years old. You can write of your own. He is 12 years old or anything you can write. Mitho has a cute dog named Shadow. Okay, for example, not this. You can imagine and you can write. Not only this. Like Mitho is a very cute. Mitho is a very cute boy. He is 7 years old. He has a cute dog. His name is Shadow, and it is white in color. And Shadow likes chicken very much. Mostly dogs eat non-veg. Correct? Like chicken or whatever you know, you can write. Okay. I will read out once. Mitho is a very shy boy. He is 10 years old. Mitho has a cute dog named Shadow. Shadow is white in color. She is very friendly. She always enjoys eating chicken. Not only this, you can write about your own dog. If you have a pet dog, you can write of your own. If you don't have also, you can imagine and you can write. This is the grammar part about this poem. If you just copy, it's waste. Just your handwriting will practice, that's it. You try to do it and later on you check your answers. That advice I can give you. Okay. I hope you all are enjoying these days, but give some time mostly to complete the CW. Mostly to complete the CW. CW is very, very important to score marks. Textbook part, if you understand the lesson, you can do it. Not only you, anyone, if they understand the textbook part, you can do it. If you just have a glance and you can do it, no problem. But CW is very, very important. Even though if you listen the lesson, CW part, it is very hard to do. Okay, please don't put any incomplete in the CW, especially the CW part. As well as textbook also. Mostly I am telling about the CW. Okay, bye bye. Enjoy your day.